Good day, my viewers. Today, I will also be taking you through JAMB subject combination. Now, this is very, very important before you start your registration. You should know the subject combination for the course that you want to opt in for in your JAMB UTME. Because if you if you write the wrong subject in JAMB, even if you score 400, you will not be offered admission. Let us imagine you want to study medicine and you did not write biology in your JAMB. That means even if you score 400, you will not be offered admission to study medicine and surgery in any institution of your choice. So it is very important that you know the right subject combination that you want to write in this year UTME before registration, because it is what you give to them at the registration center, at the CBT center, that will determine what they are going to input for you for your registration. Now, the best place to consult when you want to know the right subject combination is the JAMB brochure. That is what will give you the picture of the subject you need to write in the exam. You don't just put in any subject in the name of just filling in the form. No, you must know the right subject combination. So what I'm going to be putting you through is on how to make use of the JAMB brochure, how to navigate through it, and to know the right subject combination, and also to know the waivers, because some schools will tell you you can maybe probably, instead of writing physics, you can write this other subject. Instead of writing chemistry, you can write this other subject. Now let us look at it. This is for those who want to study any medical related courses. This is the brochure for any that want to study any medical related courses. Let us look at this for anatomy. The UTME combination for anatomy is English language, mathematics, biology, chemistry, and physics. You can see one, two, three, four, five. That's the O level requirement. But this is the UTME subject. This is the UTME subject. So that means for you that wants to study anatomy, you must sit down for biology, chemistry, physics, and the next one is English language. Is compulsory for all. So English language, biology, chemistry, and physics is very, very important. And let us now look at the waivers. That is for school related. Now, no, this is UTME subject. Now look at, for instance, if you want to study anatomy at OOU, you now said OOU accept any three subjects of physics or math, chemistry, and biology. That means if you like, you may take physics or mathematics, but the major subject is English, chemistry, and biology, and any out of this physics and math. So if you write physics, fine. If you write mathematics, fine. So you can see the importance of the waiver. So the waiver is to let you know what the school of your choice is saying about the UTME subject combination. Let us look at medicine and surgery. Medicine and surgery. Medicine and surgery. Medicine and surgery. We'll soon get there. You can see for nursing, it is still physics, chemistry, and biology for nursing science. And if you scroll down to you can see this point. This is where we call the waivers. So we should go down. We should go down to UTME subjects. UTME subjects. You can see we only have four schools. So if you are for Ilorin requires physics, chemistry, biology plus English language. You can see that PhD, that means University of Port Harcourt requires physics, chemistry, biology as well. You can see that. Now, medicine and surgery. it is still physics, chemistry, and biology. English is very important for everybody. So if you look at the UTME subject, if you look at the UTME subject, now the UTME here is just for what you need to make in your O level, the required O level credit. But that is not what the focus of this video. UTME subject, you can see Unilag, that is Lagos, requires English language, biology, chemistry, and physics. Okay, you can see Udus, Usman Dafodo, and University of Maiduguri accept mathematics in lieu of physics. That means if you want to write your UTME for Udus and Maiduguri, you may write English language, mathematics, chemistry, and biology. So they said they can accept mathematics in lieu of physics. So instead of physics, you can write math. Now that is for medical related courses. Now when we check through, this is for Faculty of Social Sciences. Let us look at Faculty of Law. Let's look at law, civil law, common law, Islamic law. For law, for civil law, the same thing with the common law, any three art subject or social science subject. Now this may not be really clear until we look at the waivers. You can see special consideration or waiver remark. Let us look at the UTME subject down here. UTME subject, you can see Bowen Ilori requires literature in English plus any two subjects. You can see APSU requires literature in English and either government, history, CRS, or economics. Ibadan accept science subject. Lagos required English language and any three art or social science subject. Lagos does not accept music, fine art, and principle of account. Lagos accept either economics or commerce, but not both. So that means if you want to study law at University of Lagos, you must write English language, that is compulsory for all. You may pick commerce or economics, literature in English, and you may pick any other one, social science subject, to make it four subjects that you are going to write in your UTME. Let us look at engineering. Let's look at maybe computer science, computer engineering, or any engineering courses. So you should have understood, let's say chemical engineering. For chemical engineering, if you want to study chemical engineering in any of these schools, your UTME subject must be math, English, and chemistry. And don't forget, English language is very important. So that makes it four subjects that you're going to write in JAMB. So let us look at the special consideration or the waivers. Under the special consideration, you can see that Unilag requires, let's see, Unilag requires English language, chemistry, mathematics, and physics, which is not different from the general one that JAMB uh, described earlier. So Ahmadu Bello University requires math, physics, and chemistry plus English language, which is required. So that is how you can go through the brochure to know the required JAMB subject combination. This is for social sciences. Look at the accounting. For accounting, the UTM subject combination is mathematics, economics, and any other social science subject. So you can go through the waivers and look at it as well for the schools of your choice. So it is very, very important that you know the right subject of combination so that your JAM score will not just be a waste. Because failure to to comply with what your school required from you will not make you to be offered admission in such school. And I believe with this short video, you have been able to know the right how to get the right student accommodation for any of the courses that you want to opt in for in this year UTME. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like, and also to share.